Morning, my girls!
Coffee's on the counter, don't be late again.
Bye, Daddy. Love you.
Life was good, simple, and full of laughter, until the day everything changed. Another good day at the office. Nothing can stop us now. David had worked hard for 5 years, building a life for his family, brick by brick. David, I'm sorry, but we have to effective today. Wait, after 5 years, what did I do wrong? It's not you. It's budget cuts. I wish there was another way. Here's your severance paperwork. HR will follow up this week. 5 years, and this is what it comes down to? He walked out that same door for the very last time.
David, what's wrong? You're home early. Talk to me.
They let me go today, Sarah. I don't know what we'll do now. We'll figure this out together.
We always do.
Please make arrangements at your earliest convenience. The commitment he'd taken with confidence now felt like a weight pressing on his chest.
I promise, just give me a little time.
Daddy, why are you sad all the time now?
I'm okay, sweetheart. Daddy's just tired, that's all.
We need to talk about the mortgage, David. We're falling behind.
We've decided to move forward with another candidate. Thank you for your time. Weeks turned into months.
Just one more rejection. That's all this is. Some nights, the silence was louder than any argument, and the shame heavier than the debt. God, if you're even listening, I don't know what else to do.
You are not a failure, David. This family still believes in you.
I'm scared. What if I can't fix this?
Then we'll pray and we'll keep trying, together.
So on a gray, quiet morning, with nothing left to lose, David finally walked toward the one place he'd never tried. Please, God, just give me a sign, anything. Jesus, I'm sorry. I forgot how to have faith. Please help me find my way back.
He didn't hear an answer.
But
For the first time in months, he felt something like peace. Days passed, but hope, once it returns, has a strange way of holding on tight.
Come on, phone. Ring for me just once today.
You look different today, David. Lighter, somehow.
I feel like something's about to change, Sarah. I can feel it. He didn't know it yet, was already on its way.
David, this is Rachel Kim from Whitmore Logistics. We'd love to bring you on board.
Wait, really? Thank you so much. The call he'd waited months for had finally come. I got the job! Sarah, I actually got it!
I knew it!
Daddy's happy again.
For the first time in months, their home was full of light again.
Sarah, look at this. It's the pay they owed me.
We didn't just get our old life back and better.
Every debt was finally being. I was with you in the storm, and I will be with you in the sunlight too. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you for never leaving.
No matter how heavy the storm feels, hold on, I am always walking beside you. Subscribe to Jesus FaithVerse, and let's walk this journey of faith together.